Hi, how are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you? I am so sorry for
No
start.
problem, it's okay.
Yeah, crazy day, crazy day. So,
Yeah, what happened?
yeah, to be honest, every class I have had has been
Mhm.
delayed a little bit and delayed, and now
Little bit late.
yeah, and it makes things difficult because I'm trying to explain, oh, I'm here, I'm coming. But
I'm Nur Mohammed from South
yeah,
India.
lovely to meet you, Noor. That's brilliant.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, brilliant. Which you say South India? Which area are you from?
I'm from Tamil Nadu. You know Tamil Nadu?
Okay, yeah, and what's it like? Is it a good place to live?
Yes, absolutely. Where are you from exactly?
I'm from London in the United Kingdom. London.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are living in or any other area?
Very close. Maybe 30 minutes on the train from the center.
Mhm.
Maybe if you know London at all,
Today.
it's good. It's good. It's very it's sunny here,
Hello?
so that hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is very sunny here today, which is
Mhm.
very, very different for the UK. Very, very different. And what about you? How is things today there? Are
Yeah,
they are they good?
today is normal cloud, not rain, but its climate is
Yeah,
cool,
yeah, that's pretty. So it's not raining, not raining.
not raining.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's good. And like, why are you learning English if you're living in the south of India? I'm guessing you speak. Is it Tamil you speak?
Yeah,
Uh,
mother tongue is Tamil.
yeah. So why learn English? You can just speak Tamil. Why do you need English?
Yeah, just I want to speak to around the people when travel there, any other countries, just to
Ah,
learn
cool.
the language.
Yeah. Oh, that's really cool. That's really nice. Which yeah. Yeah.
What are you doing there? Are you working teacher or
I'm at the moment right here now because of the COVID situation. I am here. I'm working online, but I
Mhm.
hope to go away nice and soon to go to another country. you know,
Yes.
yeah,
Before
it's
you
very
work
difficult.
company or somewhere?
Yeah, I've worked in a lot of places. So I've worked in
Hmm.
Spain, I've worked in the
Hmm.
Czech Republic and Slovakia, Russia and Poland.
Hmm.
So many different places,
Hmm.
and I really
As
enjoyed it.
a teacher,
Can you repeat, please?
you worked as a teacher or any
Yeah,
other
yeah.
field?
Yeah, as a teacher. As a teacher. I was
English teacher.
previously, yeah, I was previously an engineer. Previously an engineer,
Uh-huh.
but now I'm a teacher. Yeah.
Previously, you were in engineer, the
Yeah.
pipeline gas line engineer.
That's it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you now turn to English teacher.
Yeah, exactly. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do something
Why you change your career?
because like I found engineering was good, but it was very busy and there's a lot of responsibility. Um, and it's very stressful work, and I wanted to do something that helped people to help
Mhm.
improve their kind of their lives, and English is a very important thing nowadays, very important.
That's why you changed your career
Yeah, exactly.
to feel in your country. What is the economically what will be happen
i
in the
I think because of the UK being economically the way it is, maybe the effects have been hidden from people for now, but it will come, and it will really affect this country.
Mhm.
It's going to be a big problem, but many people they cannot see the problems it will cause. They think that it
Yeah.
will just magically recover. Things will be back to normal,
Mhm.
and it does not work like that. It's not like that. So it's quite sad. You know.
Yes.
Yeah, I hope that it will
Mhm.
that things will sort of
Yeah. Now
yeah
online.
yeah exactly.
Always be busy with the PC computer.
Yeah, quite busy. Not as busy as before. It is very strange. I was
Mhm.
thinking that maybe I would be really busy, and but
Mhm.
actually not really, not really really busy. You know.
Mhm.
So it's
Yeah.
it's it's difficult. Yeah, very very difficult.
What will be next? Move to which country you will be moved to?
That is a great question. anywhere, anywhere that will have me. At the moment, it's very very slow work wise. So trying to
Uh-huh.
find a job can be very difficult, and so I'm hoping
Mhm.
that something will come up, maybe somewhere in Europe, in southern Europe, somewhere where the weather is a little bit nicer. Maybe not as nice as where you live, because obviously it's very green there and lots of sun and maybe a bit of rain, but lots of sun. Where in Europe, because we are coming to the winter months, I want to make sure I would like to be somewhere with some sun, just a little bit.
Are you going to Russia?
I have been to Russia, not maybe for the winter because the winter is very cold. I went in the summer and it was hot, but not for the winter. No, I would need a very good job to go to the winter.